Calamansi, a citrus fruit native to Southeast Asia, is commonly cultivated in the Philippines, where it is known for its versatility in culinary and other applications. Calamansi farming involves specific practices related to soil preparation, planting, watering, fertilizing, pruning, and pest disease control. A mature calamansi tree can yield a significant amount of fruit annually, making it a potentially profitable crop. Here's a more detailed look at calamansi farming. 1. Soil and planting. Calamansi thrives in well-draining soil and warm climates. Proper soil preparation is essential, including ensuring good drainage and potentially incorporating organic matter. Planting can be done using seeds or cuttings. Soaking seeds in a damp paper towel can help with germination. Watering is crucial, especially after planting, to help the soil settle around the roots. 2. Care and maintenance. Regular watering is important, with a suggested amount of 4 to 6 inches per month. Fertilizing with organic matter like cow dung can be beneficial. Mulching can help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Pruning is necessary for shaping the tree and promoting better fruit production. Pest and disease control is important, with regular monitoring and appropriate treatments when needed. Harvesting is typically done by hand when the fruits are fully mature. 3. Benefits of calamansi farming. Economic. Calamansi can be a source of income for farmers, with a good yield potential. Versatility. The fruit has multiple uses, including culinary, cleaning, and even as a mosquito repellent. Health. Calamansi is a good source of vitamin C and has other potential health benefits. 4. Challenges. Calamansi farming can be labor-intensive, requiring consistent care and maintenance. Market access and price fluctuations can impact profitability. Pests and diseases can pose challenges to crop yields. Climate change impacts, such as extreme weather events, can also affect farming practices and yields. 5. Success stories. The Masifagca Pangkabuhayan, Inc., a calamansi producing group in Nueva Ecija, is an example of a successful farming venture. This group benefited from access to loans, micro-insurance, and social services through the TSPI Palayan program, and secured a partnership with Jollibee Food Corp., according to the Financial Executives Institute of the Philippines. Vegetable farming is the practice of growing edible plants for human consumption, a process that likely originated thousands of years ago. It encompasses various scales, from small family gardens to large commercial operations, and can involve diverse methods like market gardening, market farms, and large-scale production for fresh markets, processing, or seed production. Here's a more detailed look. 1. Types of vegetable farming. Market gardens. Small-scale farms, often family-run, focused on producing a variety of vegetables for local markets. Market farms. Larger than market gardens, often with more specialized production and larger volumes for direct sale or wholesale. Large-scale farms. Highly mechanized operations focused on producing vegetables for fresh markets, processing, canning, freezing, etc., or seed production. 2. Key aspects of vegetable farming. Soil preparation. Healthy soil is crucial. This involves ensuring proper drainage, fertility, and structure, often through techniques like crop rotation and composting. Water management. Adequate and efficient irrigation is essential, especially in regions with dry periods. This can range from simple hand watering to more complex irrigation systems. Seed selection and sowing. Choosing the right varieties for the climate and market, and planting them at the appropriate time, is vital. Crop care. This includes managing pests and diseases, controlling weeds, and providing necessary nutrients through fertilization. Harvesting and marketing. Harvesting at the right time and having a plan for selling the produce are crucial for success.